Here's the sign and the box. All we need to do is pick up that ring. So I used some plywood. I used 3/8 to make it light. And just spray painted primer gray and then metallic paint over that so it would pop. I also used these dowels that I got from Home Depot. Just cut them all the same size. No. Alright, that's a 1 thumb, right?
That's 1 thumb.
Alright. Now make it 2 thumbs?
I'm just guesstimating.
Yeah, that's fine. What about a fist?
I can't hold it and...
Figure it out, fam. That's supposed to be the E. We're figuring out the depth.
This is a fist.
Alright. So the first step is cut out the letter. Cut out the letter with a jigsaw. All you have to do is outline it and cut it out. This letter came from another piece of plywood exactly like that one. All I did was just trace it on as best as I could. Here's the E. Look at those curves. On point. Hey, why not? Hey! This is what it looks like. This is how you turn it on. The inside lights, it goes from the battery pack to the controller to the LEDs. For the LEDs, I was running out of time, so I just started ringing them, just wiring them wherever I could, putting some hot glue every once in a while. I don't recommend this method if you want them to last, because if you want your lights to last, it'll put a strain on them and then they'll mess up. Two on the bottom, one in the middle. And then 2 on top. After you drill the dowels to this piece, you're able to like wire the LEDs to go around the dowels. And then all you do is start with one, you close it, and then you put a screw there. And then you keep going on and so forth. Yeah, then the LED, all I did was just attach the battery pack with Velcro. Yeah, like I said, to the controller. And then just run it. And then to end it off, you just make sure you cut it in the appropriate spot. You can only cut where the copper, where these copper things are. Yeah, and that's it. Painted that white. And yeah.